Bears are truly fascinating creatures, found in many parts of the world, from dense forests to open meadows and river valleys. They have adapted remarkably well to their environments, and each species has its own unique habits and behaviors. Observing bears in the wild is a rare and unforgettable experience, especially when they roam freely in wide, green meadows. In these open spaces, bears move gracefully, sniffing the air and exploring every corner. They are constantly searching for food, which forms the core of their daily life. Bears are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals. Their diet is diverse and flexible. In meadows, they often dig for roots, eat fresh berries, and forage for insects. Occasionally, they may hunt small animals or scavenge for leftover food, depending on what is available. This adaptability allows them to survive in many different habitats. In these open spaces, bears move gracefully, sniffing the air and exploring every corner. They are constantly searching for food, which forms the core of their daily life. Bears are omnivores, meaning they eat both plants and animals. Their diet is diverse and flexible. In meadows, they often dig for roots, eat fresh berries, and forage for insects. Occasionally, they may hunt small animals or scavenge for leftover food, depending on what is available. This adaptability allows them to survive in many different habitats. One of the most enchanting aspects of bears is their playful nature. Young bears, especially, love to play in shallow streams or along the riverbanks. They chase each other, wrestle gently, splash water, and tumble over one another. These playful activities are more than just fun. They are essential for learning important skills, like balance, coordination, and even techniques they will later use for hunting and survival. Watching a group of bears play together can be both entertaining and insightful, revealing the intelligence and curiosity of these animals. Although bears are generally solitary creatures, there are times when they gather in small groups. This usually happens during seasons when food is abundant or when mothers are caring for their young. Bears communicate in subtle ways, through sounds, scents, and body movements. Each bear has its own territory, which it marks and defends carefully, ensuring it can find enough food while avoiding unnecessary conflicts with others. Water plays an important role in a bear's life. Rivers and streams are not just sources of drinking water, they are also places where bears demonstrate incredible skill. Fishing is a major part of their routine, and it is astonishing to watch a bear patiently stand in the water, eyes focused, waiting for the perfect moment to catch a fish. This skill is learned from their mothers and honed through experience. Even young cubs practice and gradually improve, developing the instincts and techniques that will serve them throughout their lives. Bears are naturally curious and intelligent animals. They explore new environments, investigate unusual smells, and pay attention to unfamiliar sounds. Their curiosity allows them to discover hidden food sources, avoid dangers, and adapt to changing conditions. Observing this behavior in the wild shows how bears interact with their environment in a thoughtful and deliberate way. Life in the meadows and near water provides bears with everything they need: space to roam, food to eat, and opportunities to socialize and play. Every step they take, every playful splash in the water, and every careful search for food reflects the harmony of nature and the incredible resilience of wildlife. In conclusion, bears are more than just powerful animals. They are intelligent, social, and remarkably adaptable creatures. Their combination of strength, curiosity, and skill makes them one of the most fascinating animals to observe in the wild. Every moment we watch them move, play, or hunt gives us a glimpse into the beauty and complexity of the natural world, and a reminder of the wonder and diversity of life on our planet.